Good morning students. Today in this video we are going to see chapter number 4, Exogenetic Processes, part 2. Exogenetic processes. Exogenetic processes means processes which are occurred due to the outer movements of the earth. We have learnt in the previous chapter that the earth's surface wears away because of erosion. What is meant by erosion? Erosion is a process of eroding by different agents. Which are the agents? Agents like running water, glacier, wind, sea waves, and groundwater. These agents do work of erosion, transportation, and deposition. Because of these agents, the earth's surface keeps on changing and new landforms are formed. Portion of earth crust is getting eroded by the different agents such as running water, glacier, wind, sea waves, groundwater. This is called erosion. The eroded material gets carried away by the agents. This process is called transportation. When the speed of the agent reduces, the materials get deposited. This process is called deposition. Just as I told you, because of the work of agents, the earth's surface keeps on changing and new landforms are formed. Now we will study some of these landforms in this lesson. Work of rivers and landforms. Can you tell? How will you differentiate between a reel, gully, stream and a river? Next one is, what is a river? First, let me clear the difference among the reel, gully, stream and a river. Students, look at the pictures. Here are given two pictures of reels. What is meant by reel? A reel is the smallest natural flow of rainwater. Here are given pictures of gully. Look at these pictures and try to understand what is gully. Many reels come together and form a gully. Here are given some images of streams. First, I would like to tell you what is meant by stream. Many gullies come together and form a stream. In this picture, there are given some images of rivers. Many streams come together and form a big flow of water. This big flow of water is called a river. Geographical explanation. Running water flows naturally in a direction as per the gravity, slope of the land, and velocity means speed of the water, and makes its own way. This is called a flow of water. When many such flows of water come together, a river is formed. It means river is the combination of many flows of water. The slope of the land, type of rock, volume of water flowing in the river and the length of the flow, volume of sediments in the river, etc. are the factors on which the erosional, transportational and depositional work of rivers depend. It means work of river is depend upon following things such as slope of land, type of rock, volume of water, the length of the flow, volume of sediments in the river, etc. Work of river. Work of river depends on the rate of flow of water means velocity and the amount of water means volume flowing through the streams. Work of river is divided into three parts. First, erosion means breaking up of particles. It is a weathering. Second work of river is transportation, means movement of particles as per the velocity of water. And 3. Deposition. Deposition means dropped down of eroded material. When velocity of water is reduces, material which is transported by water is deposited at a place, that is the work of deposition. First, we are going to see erosional work of rivers. The rivers originate at much higher altitude. Altitude means height. At the high height from the sea level. Here the river flows at a great speed and therefore its power to erode is great. The riverbed and the river bank get eroded because of the fast flow of water, sand particles, pebbles, etc., and the various tributaries joining the main river. All these lead to the formation of gorges, canyons, V-shaped valleys, and waterfalls. Explanation: rivers originate at the high altitude. Altitude means height. We know that most of the rivers are originated from the Himalayan region or from the mountainous region because they are located at the high altitude. It means rivers are originated from the high altitude, from the high height. As we know that rivers flow as per the gravitational force, slope of the land and velocity of the water. Velocity means speed of the water. As the rivers flow from the high altitude to the sea level, they flow with a great speed and therefore its power to erode is great. River beds and river banks getting eroded because of the fast speed, high speed of the water. So sand particles, pebbles are getting separated from the main portion of the land and various tributaries joining to the main river. These all things lead the formation of different landforms. Forms such as gorges, canyons, V-shaped valleys and waterfalls. These landforms like gorges, V-shaped valleys and waterfalls, these are the creations of erosional work of river. It means these landforms are created due to the erosional work of river. Students, look at the picture. It is the picture of erosional work of river. When the river flows with a high speed, river side portion means river bank portion as well as river bed portion is getting eroded due to the high speed of the water. Small sand particles, pebbles are getting separated from the main portion of the rock or main portion of the river bank or river bed. This is the erosional work of the river. Next point is transportation and deposition by rivers. We have just seen erosional work of river. Now second work of river is transportation and third work of river is deposition. Transportation means when eroded material such as sand, pebbles, etc. such kind of material is carried out by the river along with the flow of water is called transportation. In this process, eroded material is carried out by the rivers. As the river flows with a high speed, it carried out different kind of material such as silt, sand, pebbles, soil, etc. Soil means mud, etc. That material is carried out by the river water is a transportational work of the river. At the foothills, the change in the slope causes deposition of coarse sediments. As these are deposited in a triangular shape, they form an alluvial fan. Alluvial fan means alluvial plain, fertile alluvial soil. This is the work of deposition of river. In the work of deposition, when the velocity means speed of the water is reduces, all material which is carried by the rivers is getting deposited at a place. This process is called deposition. And from such kind of deposition, there is a creation of alluvial fans or alluvial plain. A triangular shaped portion which is very alluvial and very fertile portion. Due to decreased speed, the sediments of the river get deposited in its bed and on its banks. This leads to formation of flood levees, flood plains and deltas. It means due to the depositional work of river, there are formed various landforms such as flood levees, flood plains and deltas. This is the picture of meandering of a river. This picture shows the transportational work of river. Look at the figure 4.1. Here is given picture of flood levees and flood plains. These are the landforms which are created by depositional work of river. Some pictures of various landforms formed by the river are given. See them. Write the type of work done by the river in formation of those landforms in the box below. First picture is given here, which is the picture of alluvial fans. It is the depositional work of the river. Picture of flood levees and floodplains. It is the creation of depositional work of river. Here is given the picture of V-shaped valley. V-shaped valley is the creation of erosional work of the river. Here is given the picture of delta. Delta is the depositional work of the river. Think about it. Many cracks are found in the coastal areas of Konkan, but no delta. Why? Answer. The rivers of long length deposit sediments at their mouth. Such rivers become very wide and their speed becomes very slow when they meet a sea. Many rivers in Konkan are of the short length and their speed is comparatively high. They bring less sediments with them and acts as very narrow inlet to the sea. Therefore, many creeks and no deltas are found in the coastal areas of the Konkan. Find out, is there any lake found near the meanders of the river? Obtain information about this. Answer is, lakes are found near the meanders of rivers. During floods, the river flows a straight path leaving behind the meander. As its effect, the crescent-shaped water body gets cut off from the main stream and a lake is formed. Such lakes are called oxbow lakes. In this way, we have seen today the work of river: erosion, transportation and deposition, and landforms which are created by work of erosion and deposition. Thank you.